Matsui's dehumidifying dryers use the honeycomb rotor-type absorbent and is of high functionality. It adapts the technology of flow rate optimization that contributes to the saving of energy. Drying using molecular sieves brings down the volume of wind when the molecular sieves break down into powdery form. During exchange of absorbent materials, unstable absorbent efficiency leads to problems such as unstable dew point. In order to eliminate these problems, Matsui developed the honeycomb rotor. The honeycomb rotor is made up of 3 zones, namely dehumidifying, regeneration, and cooling. The dehumidifying zone absorbs air moisture charged into the hopper dryer. The regeneration zone heats the moisture absorbed by the dehumidifying zone to evaporate it and hence regenerates the honeycomb rotor. The cooling zone cools the honeycomb rotor that was being heated during regeneration to an optimal temperature for dehumidification. These 3 zones enables the honeycomb rotor to provide a stable low dew point and the functionality like that of when first used. It is unnecessary to change the absorbent materials, and absorbent tower is resistant to influence of seasons and regions. The energy-saving technology of flow rate optimization controls the flow rate of dried air that varies with the temperature of exhaust dried air and the flow rate of regeneration air that varies with the temperature of regenerated exhaust air. Reducing the unnecessary usage of energy for drying and regeneration and using of heater that consistently adapts to the operating conditions helps to reduce energy usage. Matsui provides a wide range of drying equipment. The MJ3 series that has dehumidifying dryer and conveyor made compact into a single unit. The DMD4 series that supports optical molding, and the DMZ2 series that has a variety of sizes to cater to the different needs of our users.